You're still lingering like the old cologne that you wore. I still see your face in the empty frame by the door.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope that you guys are having an amazing day. It is Saturday. I just came back from recording this beautiful dress that I'm wearing in my 360 and I took my photos, so I cannot wait to share that later in this video with you guys. But before, let's talk about the fabric, the pattern, and obviously, as you guys can tell from the title, this is a collaboration with my dear friend Talisha of Creativity by T here on YouTube as well as Instagram. So if you guys are coming from her channel, thank you so much. I hope by the end of looking at my video and the content that I share on my channel that you will consider subscribing. And for those of you that are already subscribed and may not know Talisha, definitely check the description box below for all the information to her social media platform. Okay guys, let's just jump into this project. This is a Simplicity S9644. Now here is the pattern. I looked all over my Joann's to find this. I don't know why I didn't check Hobby Lobby, but I went back to Talisha and I was like, girl, I cannot find this at my local store, so I don't know if we should change the pattern that we're working with or what. Anyway, she decided that she will pick it up for me and she sent it to me. So I really want to thank Talisha for sending this pattern. She was gracious about the whole situation and I really appreciate that. So this pattern has 3 different variations. It is a midi length or a full length dress. The pattern is to be sewn with knit fabric, so anything that has a good stretch. Let me check and see what they say about the stretch. How much stretch do we have? You know, sometimes some patterns will say 30% stretch or 50% stretch, but this does not say that. It just says for stretch knit only, so just go with anything that has really good stretch. The pattern range are from size 10 to 18 or a size 20W to 28W. So the range is just a really nice span of sizes. As you can see from the models, that this dress looks great on any body shape or size, and it just really makes you look amazing. I like this design. The one I chose was version A. It is I wouldn't say it's the simplest, but it's got a really nice cutout detail, and I didn't want to go full turtleneck because it's always pretty hot here in Texas. However, I have to say I'm liking the cooler evenings and the cool mornings. So this was just the ideal dress to go and take photos of this morning. It was around 60 and the breeze was really nice. So it was just the perfect day. I am so blown away by the fit of this dress. I really like it. The one thing that I would say that I do not like, and I probably skipped over this in the instruction, is the zipper in the back. So if you see under the 360 that there's a little bit of wave going on in the back, it's because I did not put any stabilizing fusible web on that like inch to 3/8 on the back seam where the zipper would go. I neglected to do that, and I have to say I thought about it, and I should have made a note to remind myself to put those stabilizing in there, but I didn't, and there is a little wave going on in the back there. But overall, this dress is so pretty. I really love it. It's just like the ideal dress for fall. It's not too, like, I wouldn't say too heavy. It just looks really nice. It's flowy, it's long, it just gives off a really nice fall feeling. And if you can find amazing fabrics and colors to work with, you will really appreciate this. Now, if you're looking at the sleeve, you guys are going to notice something different, and that is because I decided I didn't want the recommended design sleeve here. I didn't want a regular straight standard sleeve, and I just did not like the second option that they have. It's got like a little poke, like an angle to it, and it's just not something that I like. I didn't find it aesthetically pleasing to me, so I opted to go my own way. And for the sleeve, I decided to head over to my Birder Style magazine and grab their beautiful puff sleeve from the October 2021 issue. This is the sleeve that I used for my dress, and I think it worked out really well. I think it adds a lot of dimension to the dress other than the beautiful cutout that you guys see here. So I'm just in love with this. The length is really great. It's perfect and amazingly I want to see, what's the word? Oh, I'm coming. It's the perfect companion if you have a really beautiful tall boots. This dress and the length, it just looks great with it, and I cannot wait to share the 360 because I think it turned out really well. I had some issues finding a perfect backdrop this morning. The area that I went, it's always busy, so just finding that spot was a little bit difficult, but you guys are gonna love it. And what can I say? I love it. It's a really amazing, simple, quick to put together project. Like, I did not follow the instructions, basically because you all know I sew often. So I felt like this is something that I could have put together in my sleep. Now, if you guys find out that there is mention of the stabilizing of the zipper in the back, leave that comment down below so others will see it and know it. But I just decided to do my own thing, and it came together really nicely. So let's talk about this fabric. This is from Joann's. It's a really beautiful brush knit fabric. I headed over to their store yesterday to double check the name of the fabric, because sometimes they'll have fabric in their stores and then when you go online to grab like the photo and the information, it's really never there. So I took a photo of it, and let me just pull that up here and share with you the number. So this is it says QT. Okay, this is how it reads. Knit print KPF 23 QT blue purple painted marble double brush poly, and it says span, so I'm guessing spandex. But if you guys want to search on Joann's, the number that I have here is 1874-3278. So hopefully that's helpful. Otherwise, I will stick a photo of the information that I have for this blouse on the screen or link down below in the description notes. So beautiful fabric. I love the design. It's really a pretty marble, and I think this color is just the best for fall season. Now, if you're living somewhere where the leaves fall often, it looks great on a backdrop of deep burnt orange and browns. So this will really pop in that sort of background if you're looking for photos for some fabric similar to this. Also, I would recommend this for any sort of roll neck, or turtleneck, anything that has really nice sleeve details but is for a fitted silhouette, but just have the recovery, because it does have a really nice recovery and I really like it. So guys, let's jump into the 360. Let me know your thoughts about the sleeve switch out or mashup that I did for this project, and I'll meet you in the end and we'll close out there.
We say anything. I don't want you to think too much. Let our bodies soak in the sun. Yeah, there's no need to run, no rush. You're my caffeine in the morning. Got me feeling like I'm on top of the world. No, we don't try to impress. Baby, we're not like the rest, oh. Just sitting on the steps outside. This stillness frees our mind. You don't have to say anything. I don't want you to think too much. Let our bodies soak in the sun. Yeah, there's no need to run. You're my caffeine in the morning. Got me feeling like I'm on top of the world.
Okay, friends, so there you have it. That was the 360. It's an amazing dress. It looks really well made. It's the ideal length for this season for wearing boots. I don't know if I'll wear this with bootie. It depends, but definitely a tall boot. And if you are entering the spring season, I would probably recommend something strappy, and it will elongate your leg. So let me know your thoughts about the change of the sleeve for this pattern, and tell me if you do like the original sleeve for version B of this dress. I just was not a fan of it, and I decided to go my own way. Now, don't forget to head over to Talicia's channel, check out her video, and see what her make looks like. Thank you guys so much. Have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you all real soon. Bye-bye.
Push you away and we're done just like that. Something about you is pulling me back, and I'm holding